In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video like this. We're going to have two different videos, but one will overlay on the other, okay? And they will be playing simultaneously, alright?
Hello, I am Dr. Health. In today's health tip episode, I will be sharing with you 5 benefits of drinking water. 50 to 70% of people don't drink adequate volume of water daily, and this can pose a danger to your health. Here are the 5 benefits of drinking water adequately. 1. It increases energy and relieves fatigue. 2. It promotes weight loss. 3. It flushes out toxins. 4. It improves skin complexion. 5. It maintains regularity. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and TikTok. Like and share this video. Hello.
Alright, so you can see. So I'm going to show you how to create a video like this quickly, okay? So the first thing you need to do is to download the video background, okay? I downloaded the video of this woman, okay, drinking water, and I also downloaded the video of water being poured into a cup. So you just go to a stock image site, okay? Go to a stock image site like pixel.com, okay? And you search for water, okay? Stock video. Stock image sites have both stock photos and stock videos, all right? Now you can see, okay? I downloaded this video. This video has no sound, okay? I downloaded it. Can you see it? I also downloaded this, okay? They have no sound, and this other one too. All right, I got it from a stock image website, okay, and it's free, pixel.com, or you can search for stock photos. All right, search for it on Google. So I downloaded this, then I will go to CapCut. CapCut is a video editing app. So after you have downloaded this, okay, you download the video that you want to use as a background, then you generate your image using AI, okay? And also you convert that image into a speaking video using AI after you have written your script. By now you should know how to do it. So we'll be going over to creating this kind of video that I showed you earlier, alright?
Hello, I am Dr. Health. In today's health,
I'll be using it to create my video, alright? So let's go over to editing proper. So you open your CapCut, okay? Download CapCut, open it, click on new project. Alright? So at this point, I'm going to first of all select the video background, okay? I will go to downloads, alright? Then I will select the video background, okay? I'll select this, okay? The 3 of them, alright? Okay, this one is vertical. I'm going to delete it. I will tap on it and delete. I need the one that is horizontal. Okay, this is what I want. Alright, now I'm going to scroll using the default functions. Click on ratio, okay, and I want this aspect ratio, okay. This is for YouTube, okay, and it works for Facebook too. So this is what I want. Alright, let's check the other video. Okay, fine. So at this point I will click on this good icon, okay. Now I will now have to import my AI video. How do I do that? I will look at these functions here, the default function, and I will see overlay. You tap on overlay, okay, you click add overlay. So it's going to ask you what do you want to add. Do you want to add photo or video? So here I will select video. So this is the first video, okay. I'll click add. Can you see? This is now on top of this, okay. So when I play it, you are going to see it.
of drinking water.
Can you see?
50 to
Now at this point I want to remove the background, okay. Now I'm going to tap on this overlay, this particular doctor's clip. Okay, then I'll click on cut out. Look for the function cut out after you have tapped on it. Okay, once you tap any object, whether it is video, audio, or picture, functions that are unique to that object will show up. Okay, so you look for cut out. When you click on cut out, you will see remove background, customized cutout, chroma key. So make sure you have internet connection, okay? Because some features in CapCut make use of the internet, okay? It's a free tool. It's just like an AI tool, but they synchronize some of their features to their cloud. So you need to have good internet, okay? So you click remove background. Okay, when you click on it, it's going to remove the background. Okay, can you see here it says turn off cutout? When you turn it off, the background comes back. When you turn it on, the background leaves. Okay, now this is the first step. We have removed the background. Can you see? Now let's play.
Of drinking water. Of drinking water. 50 to 70% of people don't drink adequate volume of water daily, and this can pose.
Okay, so now I'm going to quickly import all the clips. Now the clips were shortened, okay? The clips were shortened because I generated them one after the other. But in order to generate your clips at the same time in one stretch when you're using DID, you don't use your script. Instead, use a voiceover app, type in your script, turn that script into audio, then go to DID to now import that audio, okay, and it's going to work. But if you don't do this, your script will be cut short. A script of 30 seconds, they will break it down into 6 seconds, okay? So, and you have to generate about 5 different clips. So in this video, I did that. I had to generate 5 different clips. But in other videos I created, I did not generate that. I had to just use a voiceover app, turn my script into audio, then import it, and it becomes one clip. Okay? When you are using text to create an AI video with DID, they will give you 6 seconds. So once your text passes 20 characters or so, it will not go. But once you are using audio, then they will not give you that number of seconds. You can even produce a 1-minute video, okay, using audio. All right, so at this point, I'm going to import all the videos one after the other, okay, sequentially, and make sure that they are all arranged. All right, so I will go back, click on overlay, okay, add overlay. All right, so I will tap on this. Okay, let me delete this.
Hello, I am Dr. Health.
Okay, fine. This is the beginning of my video. So I will drag it, I will tap on it and drag it to the right. Okay. All right. Then I will tap on it. I will look for cutout. Click remove background. Okay. It's removing. Can you see? Background removed. This is okay. Okay. So at the end of this, let me
Today's
play.
health tip, sharing with you 5 benefits.
So I'm going to cut out every space because I want it to sound like it's talking straight. So I'm going to cut out every space. So I will do that quickly. So I will stop at,
I will be sharing with you 5 benefits.
so this video stopped at 5
Episode.
benefits.
I will be sharing with you 5 benefits.
I will pause, tap on it, okay, click on split, click on delete. So I will delete the part, okay. and I will click on overlay, add overlay, and I will now select the other part. Okay, let's play.
I'll be sharing with you 5 benefits of drinking water. 50 to 70%
Can you see? This is cool. So this part I will have to drag this. Okay, then I will remove the background too. I will tap on it, click on cutout, remove background. Can you see? This is cool. Alright,
Don't drink adequate volume of water daily, and this can pose.
and this can pose.
And this can pose.
So I will stop at
Daily,
pose.
and this can pose. Of water daily, and this can pose.
Okay, I will select the clip, split it, and delete the space. I will tap on overlay again to add the next clip. Okay, now I will take it to the right. I will tap on the clip, select cutout, remove background. Can you see? Beautiful. Let's play.
Daily, and this can pose a danger to your health. Here are the 5 benefits of drinking water adequately. 1. It increases energy and relieves.
Okay,
Increases energy and relieves.
okay, I will tap on it, split, and delete. I will take this image down. Okay, I will take this down. Alright,
Increases energy and relief.
okay, I will tap on add overlay. I will select the other one. Okay, and
Increases
play.
energy and relief. Thank you for watching.
Okay, now this is the last clip. I will delete this.
Energy and relief. Energy and relief.
Okay, click on overlay, select this, play.
Fatigue.
Okay,
Energy and relief. Fatigue.
okay,
2. It promotes weight loss. 3. It flushes out toxins. 4.
okay. Now I'm going to select this clip, click on cutout, remove the background. Okay, still drag it to the right. All right, then
Flushes out toxins.
now at this point, before it moves to the other background video, I'll click on it, split it. Okay, split this particular video. Now the part that plays on this new clip, I will shift it to the left. Okay, so that the cup and the water can appear. Let's play.
It flushes out toxins. 4.
Can
It
you see?
improves skin
This is beautiful.
complexion. 5. It maintains regularity.
Okay, 5. It maintains regularity.
It maintains regularity.
Stop, split, delete. I'm deleting the spaces, okay? Then add overlay, then import the last part, okay? Let's play.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and TikTok. Like and share this video.
Alright, so at this point, I need to delete. I'll tap on this main background. Okay, I'll go back, tap on this main background. I'll tap on the ending and delete. Okay, now I have to duplicate this main background. Okay, when I tap on it, I'll click copy. Can you see? It has duplicated. So at this edge where this stops, okay, let's play.
This video.
Okay,
Share this video.
and I will now tap on it, split it, delete the part because I want it to end where the doctor video ends. Okay, then I'll tap on overlay. It takes me back to that doctor's video. I'll tap on it, click on split, and delete the other part. Can you see? Now I will tap on this and I will remove the background. Cut out, remove background. Okay. I will move it to the left. Alright. Okay. This is cool. Now the next thing we need to do, or the last stage of this video, is to add a transcript. Okay, whatever the doctor is saying, it should be typing or showing. Okay, so I will go to the default setting of function. All right, I will tap on text. I will click auto caption and I will click start. So it's going to turn the voice, the audio, into text. Okay, it's going to transcribe it. And remember, you need internet connection to do this. All right, this particular feature uses the internet. Okay. Okay, so we are done. You click done. Can you see the text here? So you tap on the first text. When you tap on it, you click on style. Okay, so you can edit the hello, make it H, make the H capital. Okay, now I'm going to select this. Okay, you can click on style, increase the size a little if you want. All right, then click on animation. Choose your animation. Okay, how you want the text to be animated. So I'm going to click on typewriter. Okay, I'll click on typewriter.
Hello, I am Dr. Health.
Okay, fine, I'll click on good. Alright, let's play.
Hello, I am Dr. Health. In today's health tip episode, I will be sharing with you 5 benefits of drinking water.
Alright.
50 to 70% of people don't drink adequate
see?
volume of water daily, and this can pose a danger to your health. Here are the 5 benefits.
So this is cool. Alright, so you can adjust the size or the font size of your text if you want. So this is the last phase of this video. Now that you are done, you now export into your phone by clicking on this arrow icon pointing up at the top right side of your screen, depending on where it is positioned in your phone, because sometimes the interface might change in our phone. Okay, so beside this 72p, okay, when you click on 72p, you can change the resolution. All right, after it, you click on the arrow above to export this video. So this is how we created this video. Okay, so thank you, and I hope to get your feedback and your sample video, your own sample video, in the support group.